Hey everybody, it's been a little bit since I've done an update in the garage. Thought I'd show you, well, what's been going on. So as you can see, the 71 Hemi Cuda convertible is coming together. They've managed to get the windows all back in it, going through final assembly. Got the grill put back in, just doing some final touches. This car will be on the road hopefully pretty soon. Dad's 59 Imperial he's been going back and forth on it, doing some things. These other projects have kind of set him back a little bit, but I'd say probably a month to 6 weeks, this car will be ready. And as we come over here, you can see the pair of 59 DeSotas. Dad's done a massive rewire job on the white 59 DeSota, and they just put on new tires, got rid of the hard bias ply tires, and they're getting ready to go take it to the muffler shop now to get it ready to go. The black 59 just came in. They just pulled the wheels and tires off it to do the same thing, and then we'll do a run through of that to see what needs to be fixed. You find all type of curious things like a random speaker wired into the trunk, and then this wiring job. So a lot going on. Just wanted to give an update. Follow and check in tomorrow as we start making our special announcements that I've been talking about all week. And we'll talk to you then.